Hello mga kaberks and welcome to Jazz Kitchen. And today naman ang ating i-prepare ay ang focaccia bread. Tara, prepare na natin yung ating mga ingredients. So now, for our ingredients, we have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm water, 1/2 tablespoon of active dry yeast, 1/2 tablespoon of virgin extra olive oil, 1/2 tablespoon of honey, and 1/2 tablespoon of salt. And for our toppings for today, for our focaccia, it's 1 big white sweet onion. So I already put salt in it and at least 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So now here's what we are going to do. So we prepare our 1 cup of warm water, then we put our honey, 1/2 tablespoon of honey. Then we mix until ma-dissolve yung honey. Then lagay natin yung active dry yeast. Importante guys na unahin natin yung honey na ilalagay before ng active dry yeast. Kasi yun yung nagpapa-activate ng dry yeast natin, yung honey. Then we put 1/2 tablespoon ng ating extra virgin olive oil. Then we mix. Then we get our flour. Let's put a hole in the middle. Then i-incorporate natin yung ating mixture ng ating dry yeast. Then, imimix lang natin siya. Magiging medyo sticky, pero ganun talaga siya. Pag medyo nag-dry na, lagay natin yung 1/2 tablespoon ng salt. Then we mix again. Tapos, pag nagawa nyo na yung dough, lagyan natin ng olive oil yung ilalim ng dough. Para hindi siya dumikit. Pati yung sides, lagyan nyo rin. Spread nyo na lang. Yan. Ito na siya. Then, we will cover it with a clean cloth and let it rise for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, so let's check the dough. Yan. So, nag-double na yung size niya. And then, I prepared the tray with oil, olive oil. So, ililipat na natin yung ating dough dito sa tray. Yan. Then, using our clean hands, we need to spread the dough sa ating tray. Kailangan mga 1/4 inch yung kapal niya. Then, using our 3 fingers, lagyan natin ng holes. Yan. Tapos, ilagay na natin yung toppings natin, which is yung onions. Pero, pwede nyo ring ibahin yung toppings nyo. Kung ayaw nyo ng onions, lagyan nyo ng parmesan cheese, olives, or pesto, anything na gusto nyo. So, ito, onions. Kalat nyo lang siya sa taas. Ang bango ng onions. Yan. Then let it rise again for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Hayaan nyo muna siya dyan. Para umalsa siya. Ayan, so after 20 to 30 minutes, pwede na nating ilagay sa oven. Preheated na oven, 220. Okay, ilagay na natin.